Good morning. It's Wanda and Wade with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and we're on a road trip today. So, we're headed out to find mineral tubs. And if you've been looking for them for growing produce, etc., you'll know that they're getting harder and harder to find. They go very, very quickly. Word is out, and they make great tubs to plant in. And so that's where we're headed. Okay, we made it home and we're gonna look over what we ended up with. So we got 5 pallets and we use those for building things, plus one free, this one on top, that we can use for a gate somewhere. And then we got 2 barrels with removable lids, and we're gonna use those for feed. And we got 35 mineral pots for planting it.